Algebra practice set 1.2. Very first question, to check which sets are equal sets and which are not, and justify your answer. Okay, so very first question is, set A is equal to x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. Minus 1 in left hand side will taken into right hand side. Therefore 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. Therefore 3x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore 3x is equal to 3 can be written as 3 ones are 3. So 3 get removed from left hand side and right hand side. Therefore x equal to 1. The value of x equal to 1 means what? Set A consists of only one element, that is 1 only. Therefore set A is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Similarly, set B is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. So 1 is the only number which is neither prime nor composite. Okay. So therefore set B is equal to 1. Means set B consists of only one element which is 1. Therefore set B is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Now set C. Set C is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number, x is less than 2. Therefore set C is equal to 1. How? Natural number starts with 1 only, and a number which is less than 2 is 1 only, natural number. So x is less than 2 means before 2 only 1, so value of x is 1 only. So set C is equal to 1, or set C consists of only one element. Therefore set C is equal to 1. Equation number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, set A consists of one element which is 1, set B consists of one element which is 1, and set C consists of one element which is 1. So from 1, 2 and 3, A equal to B equal to C. Question number 1 done. Similarly, question number 2. Now in question number 2, we have to decide whether set A and set B are equal sets or not. Give reason or justify your answer. Okay. So set A is equal to even prime number. What is prime number? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. So 2 is a prime number. So 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 itself. So 3 is also a prime number which is divisible by 1 and itself. 4 is not a prime number because 4 comes in table 1, 2 and 4. So therefore 4 is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number which comes in table 1 and 5. But we want even prime number. So 2 is the only even prime number. Others are prime number but odd. Therefore set A is equal to even prime number. Therefore set A is equal to 2. Equation number 1. Now set B is equal to x such that 7x minus 1 equal to 13. Therefore 7x minus 1 equal to 13. Therefore 7x is equal to 13 plus 1. Minus 1 in left hand side taken into right hand side, so it will become plus 1. Therefore 7x equal to 13 plus 1. Therefore 7x equal to 13 plus 1, 14. Therefore 7x equal to 14. Therefore 7x equal to 14 can be written as 7 into 2. So 7 get removed. Value of x is equal to 2. Therefore set B consists of one element which is 2. Therefore set B is equal to 2. Equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, set A consists of one element which is 2 and set B consists of one element which is 2. From equation 1 and 2, A equal to B. Question number 2 done. Question number 3. Now we have to check which sets are empty and which sets are not empty. What is empty set? A set which consists of no element, or a set which consists of 0 element is called as empty set. Okay. So set A is equal to A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. So natural number begins with 1. And here what is set A? A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. So there is no natural number smaller than 0. Natural number starts with 1, 2 and so on. So A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. So set A consists of no element. Therefore set A is equal to empty set, or curly bracket open and curly bracket close. Inside that there is no element. Therefore set A has no element. Therefore set A is an empty set. Therefore set A is an empty set. Now set B. Set B equal to x such that x square equal to 0. Therefore x square equal to 0. Therefore x square equal to 0 can be written as 0 square, because 0 square is 0. So instead of 0 we can write 0 square. Therefore x square equal to 0 square. Therefore x equal to 0. Square square get removed. Therefore x equal to 0 means set B consists of one element, which is 0. Therefore set B is equal to curly braces open and curly braces close, and inside that curly braces 0 is the element. Therefore set B has one element. Therefore set B is not an empty set. Okay, now set C. Set C is equal to x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, where x belongs to natural number. So 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 5x equal to 0 plus 2. Minus 2 in left hand side taken into right hand side, which becomes plus 2. Therefore 5x equal to 0 plus 2, 2. Therefore 5x equal to 0 plus 2. Therefore 5x equal to 0 plus 2, 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore x does not belongs to natural number. Why? Because 2 upon 5 is not a natural number. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. 2 upon 5 is a fraction number or rational number. Therefore x does not belongs to natural number. Therefore the C is equal to empty set, or C is equal to curly bracket open and curly bracket close. C consists of no element. C equal to empty set. Therefore set C has no element. Therefore set C is an empty set. Okay, now question number 4. We have to check in question number 4 whether the set is a finite or infinite. What is finite set? Elements can be countable in set, then it is finite, and if the elements are not countable or uncountable, then it is an infinite set. Okay, so very first one, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means very first question is what? X such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number which is less than 10. So natural number begins with 1 and less than 10 means till 9. So set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore set A is countable. We can count the elements present in set A. 9 elements are there, so it is countable. Therefore set A is countable. Therefore set A is finite set. Okay, now second one. What is given in the question? Y such that y is less than minus 1, y is an integer. Means y such that y is less than minus 1, y is an integer. So minus 2 is an integer which is less than 1, minus 3 is an integer which is less than 1, minus 4 is an integer which is less than minus 1, minus 5 is an integer which is less than minus 1, and so on. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So set B equal to curly bracket open dot 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 minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and curly bracket close. Therefore set B is not countable. Therefore set B is an infinite set. We cannot count, so it is an infinite set. Now third one. What is given? Number of students of class 9 in school is countable. Therefore set C is finite set. Number of students of class 9 in school is countable. Therefore set C is finite set. Similarly fourth one, residents of village is countable. So it is finite set. Similarly apparatus in laboratory is countable. Therefore it is finite set. Now sixth one. What is question? Set of whole numbers. Set of whole number means whole numbers begins with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. Whole numbers begins with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Therefore set is not countable. Therefore it is an infinite set. Next, set of rational numbers is uncountable. Means not countable. Uncountable or not countable. Therefore it is also an infinite set. Practice set 1.2 done.